Hey love, how are you doing today? Welcome to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Erika Petra Mume. If it's the first time coming across my page, you are welcome. Please do subscribe. And for my subscribers, I want to say a big thank you to each and every one of you for your support, for your share, for your likes, for your comments, for coming back to my page. Thank you so much. So guys, today I know I'm sweating and it's actually very hot. I was waiting for NEPA to bring light so I can make a video, make use of this beautiful sunlight. So basically I'm using just my phone. There is no ring light, there is no other light apart from the sun. So today is really a good day to do this video. Do not mind the sweat, please. Just take note of the things I want to tell you. So in this video I'm going to be telling you random tips you can do or you can try out if you have pimple, acne, breakouts, spots, sunburns and all that, to keep your face, looking very fine, youthful and beautiful. So it's the first thing you need to know is that your face needs moisture. The first habit you would want to cultivate is waking up in the morning and just pouring water on your face. Like when you wake up in the morning, just go and splash some water on your face. Wake it all up with cold water, not warm water, cold water. If you can even put ice in the water and just put it on your face, like your skin loves that. I'm telling you now, take it from me, your skin loves that. So when you give your skin that kind of love in the morning, like sprinkle fresh water on your face, like that alone is so nice. I don't know why I'm doing my hand like this anyhow, but you get what I'm saying. So early in the morning when you wake up, drink a bottle of water and sprinkle a bit of water on your face. You can just wash your face and just leave the water to dry on your face. If you can get the ice cube and just rub all over your face, I think I will do that right now because it is so hot. Excuse me, sorry, don't mind me, but I just got to do this so you see. OMG. Oh. Like you totally feel so good after doing this. It's really hot and this is like heaven. So yeah, if you have ice in the fridge, just do this. Oh god. Oh. Okay, so yes, if you have ice or cold water, just apply on your face. Okay, then so the next way you can hydrate your face is using an hydrating face wash. There are so many face wash in the market and you need to know the difference. Some will dry out your face. You don't need anything like that. Unless you're someone who is really really have oily skin, then yeah, you can use a dry up mattifying face wash. But if you have normal skin to dry skin, you want to use a very good moisturizing face wash, something that has honey, milk. A good face wash is essential. People joke with it, but it's essential. Get a good face wash. You can actually buy the one I sell. I'm doing markets here. You can buy the one I sell. You can get the Candy Girl or the Antidotes. They are both made with honey, and seriously, we love them, and it's very affordable. And the next thing you want to do, have oily skin, you need to get a mask, because the mask will actually help remove those oil deep seated in your pores, to help extract those excess sebum in your pores. If you're not oily skin, you're normal or dry skin, you can just do normal every morning or every night. Mix a papaya, just blend a little papaya, mix it with a little bit of lemon or lime, put on your face. That is going to brighten your face. Like, it is going to brighten your face. Honestly, papaya and lemon, don't joke with that. The other thing I like doing is using milk on my face. That's like an holy grail. Honestly, what is in milk? It is so good for the skin. So just do this for 4 days, just 4 days. Use a milk. You can I use any milk. You can use team milk, you can use powdered milk. Just get milk. If you can get plain milk, that is fine, but if you cannot, normal milk is fine. So you put your milk, let me say 3 spoons of milk, or let me just say 2 spoons of milk powder or milk liquid in your cup. You squeeze a little bit of lemon. Lemon is essential. Lemon is a lightning agent, like it's essential. So you squeeze a little bit of lemon into the milk, and you add 1 teaspoon of honey into the mixture. Apply on your face. Relax. Let it sink in. 3 days, 4 days tops. Your skin will be shiny, oh sharp, from left to right. Your skin will be so bright. I really don't know what is inside milk that is, I don't know. Just try it, because for me it works so well for me. So try it and let me know. Maybe my skin is just accepting milk so much, but it might work for you. Try it. Another thing you should also try is taking vitamin C. Yes, vitamin C. Most of these things I've mentioned, like lemon, papaya, they contain vitamin C. And vitamin C is a lightning, it makes you radiant. So take vitamin C. You can take the one you put in the water and you just dissolve, drink. I love taking that every now and then. Like, I just like having that. You can put in your water and you drink. It doesn't just help your skin from outside, it helps you from inside. So it's really nice. If you can even take the 500, 1,000 grams or so, I think you know what I'm talking about. I don't have any right now, I would have showed you, but vitamin C helps a lot with the skin. Okay, sorry, I'm sweating. It's actually hot. It's getting hotter. Okay, the next thing you should do is your moisturizer. What is in your moisturizer? Are you using normal random moisturizer? Look at the things to look out when you're buying a face moisturizer. 1, retinol. Does it have retinol in it? If it has retinol, tick, get it. 2, vitamin C, vitamin E. I don't think any cream should be allowed to be sold without vitamin E and C in it, especially a face cream. So note, vitamin C, vitamin E, tick. Sunscreen, especially if it's a day cream. Sun, SPF, least should be SPF 5. That's what you should get. Nothing less than SPF 5. You know what, in Nigeria, the sun is not your mates. So make sure your face cream contains SPF. Then for lightening agents, if you want to lighten your skin, you don't just want the normal moisturizer. Glutathione should be in your face cream. Kojic acid should be in your face cream. That's if you want to lighten or sharp. But if you just normal moisturizing, making your face full, plump, beautiful, youthful, those first 3, retinol, vitamin E, vitamin C, very important in your face cream. I think that is all. Let me just stop there. I'll make another video, maybe tackling a specific thing, maybe like a sunburn or a dark circle. I'll give you a trick on what to do with that, maybe in my next video. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Probably not with this hair. Okay, bye.